Okay, now, anyone just starting online needs this training. Here's the Get Started training. Introduction to Digital Marketing. This is a college course, guys. Okay? Look at these titles. This is what you need. This is a college course in an online training. No missing puzzle pieces. Okay? Here are the modules. Some of them. Let me show you the one. Okay, here's content right here. This is the one you're going to need for going online. If you don't know how to make content, this is it right here. This training is 25 minutes. After that training, you're going to know what to say, what to do. Okay? If you have questions, I'm your contact person, of course, because I'm your coach. And also you have the community with the weekly trainings where you can ask your questions as well. Okay? You can contact and network with anybody in the community, but of course you have a contact person, the person who enrolled you. So the way that I enroll you is the way you will enroll, okay, your clients and customers. And let me tell you where that's from. I spent a lot of time in network marketing. Also, I'm a school teacher, so I'm not gonna just, okay, thank you for signing up, bye. I love network marketing for the training, the personal development. In network marketing, you are never left alone. In network marketing, you have routine calls, routine trainings that keep repeating, reinforcing the personal development and the customer service side of the business, right? You're always prospecting. You're always getting to know your prospects. You're always nurturing your customers, okay? You're always training your customers on the product, okay? Giving them good information. I bring that to digital marketing. Well, you can be faceless if you want to be, okay? It doesn't mean you're not available either via phone or somehow with your customers or clients if they need you. These people have paid you $500, okay? So it's good business to learn the customer service side of things. And if you are a customer service person, you're going to do very well because you know that although the training is step by step, click by click, people need support and they need attention. They want their questions answered. So what I do is I provide you with some digital products. So let me show you what, when you click my link right here, put in your email and phone number, you're getting an ebook from me. Okay, let me show you the ebook I'm sending you. Okay, put your email and phone number and I'm going to show you, okay? You're going to receive okay, let me fix this for you. All right, when you put in your email right now, okay, you're receiving this. There you go. There you go. Yep. Now, if you sign up with me, you get this to edit. So it's done. It explains the program, but you will edit for your name, if you have a title for yourself, you will edit. The main page is standard, but the second page is me. So I edit this with you, okay? I give you a talking point. Okay, the reason why I give you a talking, I coach you on how to edit that page. I am an online tutor. So this is a ebook from that mastermind with my teacher project coach. So we have ebooks for the parents about our tutoring programs. That page specifically, the way it's structured, I'm going to coach you on how to just, replace the information with your information, but keep the structure the same because of the way that it reads. It is copy that was copywritten for that product. Okay? Yes. Okay? So you put your picture here. Okay? You put your picture here, and then, okay, very simple. Done. And then these are, if you have any of these, if you're a chef, okay, so these are testimonials about me. You can put evidence of your work. So these two pages are yours. This page and this page. Okay, the other pages are standard. Okay, this is all standard about the program. That's it. And then your very next step is get started. Okay, so I will, as soon as I get off this live, I will forward that email to you. But this is the customer service. I help my clients with the communication side of how to communicate with your audience, because we all have audiences. I don't know who follows you. I don't know who your audience is. But the people who work with me, I set you up with digital products. So that's what you get just for filling out your email. I give you that. And then when you sign up with me, I give you 2 more products. So I'm all about setting you up for, and once you have that, what your customers won't have that many questions, because they're gonna get up and running, but the pieces that they don't understand how to explain, like master resale rights, which is simple. It just means you have rights to sell. And, their mindset, I give you a book on that. Okay. So guys, I love this program. Drop your questions. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions at all? Let me see. Let me check on that for you. Let me know if you have a question. What questions do you have for me? All right, I see. Confusion, is that CD, Fusion Cooking? If you don't mind me asking, what does CD stand for? Is that your name? CD? CD. Chef D? Dre? Chef Dre Cooking? Is that right? Is this where we contact you? Me personally, you can go to my DMs. You can go right to my DMs if you have a message. Yeah, but right here in the comments, you can. Okay, so Chef Dre, I'm sending you the ebook right now. As a matter of fact, Okay, so let's see. Yeah, let me just show you again what it is. By putting in your contact information in the roadmap, this is how I set up my, because we have Lydia. Lydia, what's your location, Lydia? And Chef Dre, what's your location? I'm in Houston, Texas. Okay, just by putting in filling out the information, fill out the form for the emails, you get this ebook. Oh, me too. I'm in Katy. Okay, so Lydia, this is the ebook you get when you fill out the form. Okay, if you sign up with me, you receive this editable. We edit this for you. Okay, we edit this page, not the copy. The copy stays the same except for your details, but your photo here, the details here, okay? Why you became a digital product producer. And if you don't have testimonials, like Chef Dre, he maybe has some photos of his dishes that he cooks, and maybe you take care of dogs, you can have like whatever you do over here, and then this page stays the same. Okay, you can always change photos, doesn't matter. This stays the same, and then the next step stays the same where they get started. Okay, so just by filling out, Lydia, are you interested in filling out the form to receive the ebook? Let me know. Okay. Yes. And the cover page. This is a template from Canva. This template is a winning template, but behind it you could put something. Like you can put your photo, like the picture in the background is whatever you want to put. But the template is a winning template. It's not busy. It's also, if you share it with your customers, you want to keep the template the same. Otherwise, there's... So... you can change the colors, like blue and pink, red and green, whatever, but the book stays. Does that make sense? You know, like I picked these colors, but you can pick your own colors, but the print, the size, and all that stays the same. Yeah. Does that make sense? I just say, yeah, exactly. There you go. That's how digital products gets done. I mean, keep it real simple, okay? Yes, okay, I guess, all right. Absolutely. So, have you heard of master resale rights? Okay. Okay, master resale rights means that by buying this course for $497 and starting for as low as $46, you own the product. That means anyone in your audience who is interested in simplifying how to make money online with exactly what to do, step by step, click by click, they can also sell as soon as they purchase it from you. Okay, how it works is you purchase from me, okay? You are invited to the community that I just showed you where the course is. we get on system.io. Let me show you. Okay, I just went to, here's the platform where you build your website. Okay, we go to system.io. I share the funnel with you. We edit it for your particular, these are my leads for today. These are new leads for today. So you get this website, this software to build the funnel. Okay, you can have up to 3 funnels. One, definitely to resell this course. You are a chef, so number 2, your funnel for the I don't know, is it a restaurant or whatever you do? And then you have an option of a 3rd one. So the software gives you 15 pages for free. 15 pages. So when you go through my funnel, this funnel has 4 pages. 4. So I have 11 pages left, okay, to use for free until they charge. Their charge is $27 per month. So even if you have 3 funnels or 3 web pages and you want a 4th one, it's $27 a month. Like, very doable. This is crazy. It's such a gift. Okay, that's why it's better to get started sooner rather than later. Okay. So we make a simple 4-page funnel for the roadmap. Okay, so this is your simple funnel, 4 pages, and then you can make a second website for your business. So this page for me, this web, I just use the domain they gave. I didn't even buy a domain name. If you have a domain name for your business, you can save that. You can use that domain for your second funnel, for the funnel for your food business.